It is now 5 minutes after the hour of 7 o'clock here in Jamaica, Montego Bay to be exact. Weather conditions looking on the outside was overcast. The sun is just now peeping through. Looking at the cameras behind me, all courtesy of See Jamaica Live. Crossroads seeming to be under cloudy conditions as well. It is the #1 trending music morning show online. It is Roddy for the Road. And I'm your host, DJ Roddy G. And with the folks checking in at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com, at DJ Roddy G on YouTube, at See Jamaica Live on YouTube, on the Facebook Live feed. It's my absolute pleasure to bid you a Thanksgiving good morning. Yeah, man, big up to Sparky, aka the Duke. It's the Sparky Melody on the check-in. Good morning to Dante. Hold on, Dante. Hold on, something right. Hold on. Because the opening theme song is all courtesy of who? Don Bass Productions. Yeah, man. I forget the man I'm crediting them because I told you guys if you want a voice, you can check with Don Bass Productions. Yeah, man. Check Dantina, man. Dante have the good rhythm, let me know. I can tell you, I have a few more. Right, so gotta say good morning also to my cousin Calvin. Let me see who else has dropped us a good morning so far. May I check, may I look? I'm looking. Everall Morgan is on that check-in. Good morning to you. So honest and all peeps, what are going over in our states? Thanksgiving? What are you doing today? Are you planning to spend your day with family? Big feast, big cooking? What Jamaican item are you going to have on the plate for Thanksgiving? Gotta send a big shout out to Christine. Easy with them, share them. I feel like that I make Facebook lock down the stream. I appreciate you sending it out, but at the cost of them blocking people from going onto the stream, I'm gonna ask you, no more. I think they're seeing them as spams, and so they're locking people out of the feed. Then probably I'll start locking out already, cause yeah, I don't see the numbers. Gotta say good morning to my brother Keith Cole. Yeah, man, I scroll through, make sure it's Keith there, So back to the question. What you doing for Thanksgiving? What's gonna be part of the Thanksgiving tradition that you take from yard? Looking forward to those comments. Shout outs to the folks over there at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. If you want to participate in the conversation, the instructions are head on over to the YouTube channel. Have that page open as well at See Jamaica Live. Look for the feed that says the morning show. You'll find us. You can drop your comments in the chat, or you can visit at DJ RODDYG on YouTube and participate there. Same feed. So with that said, I want to tell you about my night last night, but we're going to get some music going first, and later down in the show, I want to ask me about last night or this morning. Just ask me what go on before the show. Alright? You going to do that for me? Because you don't want to know, don't. You don't want to know when the boy go and good, don't. Yeah, man. So make sure you don't ask me. See? I have to get some music in.
Roddy G is your morning man.
One of my favorite songs to kick this broadcast off with is the sounds of Nari Berry. Recognizing the hand of the Almighty. Here's what.
If you're alive this morning, declare that you're okay. Look in the mirror and say, this is a good day. Don't you know when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you go. Come on, darling, when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you. He is mine, He is my strength. I'm singing, He is my strength. I said, don't you know when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you go. Come on, darling, when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you go. If you're alive this evening, declare that you're okay. As long as He keeps me breathing, this will be a good day. Don't you know when the Lord's with you? Oh, I said, come on, darling, when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you go. He is mine, He is my strength. He is mine, He is my strength. I said, don't you know when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you go. Come on, darling, when the Lord's with you, He'll never let you go. With you, He'll never let you go. Tell me why you look so sad. Tell me why you look so blue. Lost the love you had and all the joy in you. What are you going through? I can medicate the pain. I can relieve all your strain. Have you lost the love you had and all the joy in you? What are you going through? I'll be your friend.
Gotta say good morning to the lady Stacy Ann. She's on the check-in. Her niece Shalim celebrating sweet 16 today. You know, some feel that need a voice note though. Not that I can accept the voice note just yet. But me I say, put me under pressure. Let me see one voice note forward in. Shalim celebrating sweet 16 today. Your auntie wants me to play a nice song for you. But I have no idea what type of music she listens though. So guess what, my auntie? You have to send in the request. Me not mash up her birthday. No, you're not get to so easy. You send in the request. And when she don't like the song where you send in, she can cuss and say, auntie, what kind of song that you send for me? You think me I gonna do that? No. Shalim, me smarter than that. Me not mash up your birthday. I'm wishing you a happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day and everything about your day is absolutely amazing. And so your auntie is going to have to send in an amazing song request because me not going to be the one for mash it up. I'll be your friend. Sounds of Taro, singing Riley. Let me take it from start now. Whose friend are you going to be today? Are you going to be a true friend today? Be a real friend today. Be a good friend every day. Sing it.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Tell me why you look so sad. Tell me why you look so blue. Have you lost the love you had? And all the joy in you. What are you going through? I can medicate your pain. I can relieve all your strain. Have you lost the love you had? living highway. Cancel that, go negative, can't stand in your way. The Almighty don't say where there's a will, where they day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And they say,
All right, at 22 minutes after 7, I think I'm ready to share last evening's story. I see the Duke has made reference to it. He's alluded to it. Yes, people, we're going to talk about me and Pier 1. Remember last time I did Pier 1? I almost get depressed today, man. I almost depressed last time I did Pier 1, you know. I was so disappointed. So grieved by it that I not even did send the people them invites until yesterday. I went did it last week. Yeah, man. Never even want to think about Pier 1 and the performance that I experienced. I never even send them the invites. I never even want to build them, but we need a little money still. I have to brave up yesterday and send out some invites. I just include them and send it forward. But last night was bittersweet. So Sparky said, there is a amateur talent competition that is underway, right? It's been going on for a while and we're now down to, last night was the semi-finals. Now, in preparation for the semi-finals, they assigned each judge one of the talents. I had a talent assigned to me. And I gave her a song that I thought would fit her. And if she worked that song, it would get her through to the next round easily. Because I know who she up against. I know the talent when she up against. By the way, the video them there on my YouTube channel. So after the show, you can go watch them. Right, just look for something that don't look like Roddy for the road. And yeah, that would be those two. Right, so they had to perform 2 songs last night. One that their judge assigned them, and a reggae song. I assigned my talent, Alicia Keys, Teenage Love Affair. Me work with her as best possible. I change the key of the song. I send her to Taddy P. Taddy P gave her some advice. Taddy P called me and said, Roddy, yeah, the key of the song need to change again because it's too high for her and re. Because when she gets nervous, she just go into this heady zone and sing from her head and it don't come across so well. So I try to give her Teenage Love Affair for she just relax and, sing from down here, so sing from yes, so sing from anywhere but up here, so. And well, last night, when the other 5 contestants them go up on the stage and nail it, so the nerve set in. And she did her best with it under the circumstances. And I felt so bad that I go vote out. I go judge my talent the least of the 6 on the night. Me feel away. Yeah, so me feel bad because I don't know what the other judges them I think, but the audience knows that she mash it up. Me knows that she mash it up, as in she never work it properly. And me knows that she'll go home if I did just the one song that we're gonna judge them by. Anyway, second round come round, and all of the other contestants, them except for two other contestants, nailed their second song. You have a contestant named Shanna Lee. She's the baby of the group. She's only 17. She's the youngest in the competition. And she nailed both songs. You have an ex-virgin named Humility. Mackie Conscious worked with him or gave him some pointers. And he came out shining because I did swear say him gone home. Based on all of the other week performance, he was the weakest of the lot. So we swear say him gone home, Me done say, alright. If Humility don't step up in game, my talent have a chance to go to the next round, which is finals next week. Because I know she put in the work and she deserves to reach finals, for, get a chance out for the prize money. But Humility step out and he was the second best performer on the night. Shanna Lee alone beat him. But anyway, back to my talent now. So, second round, only Shanna Lee and Humility nailed them song. You have an ex-youth there, the name Ray Star, him go on good too. But they kind of shake him, you understand? But, yeah. And then came my performer. My performer, by the way, they picked last. They had to draw for what position they perform. And And she was the last performer. She was number 6. But she nailed it. And so I happily scored her above, some of the other competitors. And apparently the other judges, or a few of the other judges, there were 5 on the panel. Apparently, some of the other 4 were inclined to agree with me that she go on better than others. And so she made it through to the final round. So many kind of nervous. That was kind of the bitter part of the night. Hear the sweet part of the night. No. Baby Tug, who is a resident DJ, inveigle me to come play again. Tug inveigle me to take my laptop, connect up to the DJ console and come play some tune for player 1. Now people, me leave my house last night and I deliberately left my headphones as part of my resistance to the temptation that would be to play. Tug go call me out. You know what I say, your boy shell it though. Me say, woman the bar head top. Me only play for 45 minutes or something like that. But me go on with myself. Find some tune and juke them with some tune. Nobody now leave. And the 2 more things me use trick them too. Me don't use no sample for no one say me a play. So them couldn't say why a Tug a play or Roddy a play. So them don't know. Because Tug kick it off, because I have to pack up on all of these things. So Tug started off. And Tug inveigled me for forward and connect up my laptop. It was a seamless transition. No break in the music. Tug a play one song, I find the next song, I'm just take it over from right there. So the audience don't know so there was a change in DJ. And not only was there a change in DJ, but a change in the energy and the vibe. Because your boy find it. Your boy see where them go out with, man. You see, it's a crowd that you have to like keep the music changing. So me no make them no wiser. Me no turn on the light in the DJ booth. Me no use no sample. I just juke them with some music. And the place was jumping. So yeah, I feel good this morning. That's why I play Rockers Elements. If you ask me how I'm feeling today, I'm not even about to try singing it though. Make Rockers sing and tell about it. This is Rockers Elements, 29 minutes after 7. We irie. How you feeling? You feeling irie today?
Rockers Elements Production.
Gotta say good morning to my brother Jadan. He's on that check-in. Yes, Keith, respect. Me feel good today, man. I go out with myself last night. You're only as good as your last performance. As entertainers, we know this, don't? Yeah, man, you have a bad night, everybody. Wow, hey, him not good. That will really take my money by. But here what happen now?
If you ask me how I'm feeling today, then I'd say I'm okay. Cause I'm unbelieving irate. Cancel that, no negative can stand in your way. The Almighty don't say where there's a will, where they day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And they say, well, we irate. Today supernatural I'm feeling, nothing superstitious to the meaning. Sky floating vibe over roof, never ceiling. Nothing fictitious to the reasoning. Truly free inside, no matter how hard the day see me. You'll see me smile cause I know the value of my life. I know it's worthwhile, not a doubt in my reply. If you ask me how I'm feeling today, then I'd say I'm okay. Cause I'm unbelieving irate. Cancel that.
Let's say good afternoon to Eddie over there in the UK.
The Almighty don't say where there's a will, where they day. And he say,
and give thanks unto the Most High, 'cause the most important thing is life indeed. Alright.
Keep it positive, no want to cry. Some are sleep on the negative and waste them time. No have to hesitate, no. Surely not away my mind if you
ask me how I'm feeling today, then I'd say I'm okay, 'cause I'm on the living highway. Cancel that, no negative can stand in your way. The Almighty don't say where there's a will, where there is. Yeah. I say,
From Rockers Elements to Third World, Tessan, Taros,
Boy.
And of course lead vocals AJ Brown.
Something he read about in magazines, from halfway tree to Ocean Drive, to mile high clubs on Paris flights. This island boy with big ideas about the things seen and heard on social media, trying to escape but don't know how, having faith that he'll get there somehow. Can you see me now? Can you see me now? I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
I'm an island girl with my island spice, my island curves and my island voice. Through all the tears and sacrifice, still I do believe in paradise. Sometimes my island mind might get confused by the paradigm that I'm set to lose. One way in and no way out. Few believe they'd make it out. Can you see me now? Can you see me now? I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
The island cries of the island slums has given rise to the island sun. To be a man and stand up for real and shine beyond the sand and sea. The island voice of an island child has given strength to the weak worldwide, as living proof for all to see. Hey, don't give up on island dreams. Can you see me now?
Can you see me?
Can you see me now?
Can you see me?
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Hey world, now that we've got your attention, let me mention, in the interest of the human race, there's some things we've got to put in place before it's too late. Warning sounds are everywhere, ones with power just don't seem to care. There's enough for everyone, but some refuse to share. Though we can't undo the wrongs that have been done, what's been done has been done. We can work towards a world that works for everyone. This is an emergency, gotta act with urgency. No time for procrastination, there's so much to do. This is an emergency, gotta act with urgency.
And this is the sounds of Alicia Scott, representing for my friends over there in the UK.
Hey, well,
And it says Jamaica, his second home.
at your attention.
You're welcome every time, my brethren.
Learn from the mistakes of our past.
Make it 8, 9, 10 times in.
No curses won't last.
As a matter of fact, we have a nice little piece of land down in Mandeville. Cool Manchester.
Listen out
Can't sell it, make it just build your house and just,
the young.
yeah man,
The spirit
make it official.
and sisters and the power of the sun. No, we can't undo the wrongs that have been.
A big shout out to DJ Jana Travels. Yeah man, they're on the check-in.
We can work towards a world that works for everyone.
It's Brittany's birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Edwards.
Gotta act with urgency.
So you don't say your song request, I go forward in.
Procrastinate
Gotta say good morning to Melissa. Miss Clark is on the check-in as well.
is an emergency. Gotta act with urgency.
I don't see Stacey sending her niece song yet.
Chicken down.
Me now mash up nobody's birthday.
There's so much to do. So much to do.
At 38 minutes after 7, let's change the beat like this. Stop looking at me strange. You know this is an absolutely beautiful song. This is an amazing song. Stop looking at me strange and wondering what it is that Roddy is playing this morning. This is the sounds of my good friends, the Nomads. Gotta send a big shout out to my brethren, Evie. This is above profanity. On a beautiful Thursday. Still I try to find out one out today. Let me know in the chat. Talk to me. Don't you dare say I played any song with profanity in it. Please listen keenly. Hiroshima. Twin Tower.
Jamaica.
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 Green Bay. Brighton. Tivoli. What is?
Well, inside the pink car, rude boy, you know. Rude boy, please don't bust no shot down. My mama, home from Spanish town, and Papa, hail from Clarendon. So we know badness from 19 oh long. If you gon' be a rebel with a cause. Don't you gon' call down trouble. If you call it will come. Yes, I know you are the real revolutionary. So why don't you do me a favor and uphold the peace? So rude boy, please don't bust no shot down. My mama come from Spanish town, and Papa hail from Clarendon. So we know badness from 19 all long. The police will take pleasure, yes, to lock you down. If you're the Robin Hood, we'll need you around the town. Easy, Mr. Rude Boy, know that your time will come. Sometimes you're seeing blind, hearing deaf but not dumb. Rude boy, please don't bust my shot now. My mama come from Spanish town, and Papa hail from Clarendon. So we know badness from 19 all long.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Hey, this is Sly Robbie, Shereen Anderson, alongside Charlie Argonair and Melvin Williams. Freedom.
Dancing call me free. Freedom. Everybody free. Freedom. Dancing call me free. Freedom. Oh God. Everybody free.
Brush me teeth with my clocks and my diamond socks. I sheen ear oil for my golden locks. But it goes. Touch out of the house to the beach, you relax. one judge with a goat and a lass. Walk one judge. I beg you, I try and pull out my cheese box. Morning, Miss Jai was crying on the pot. Aki and breadfruit save my till I'm back. Missy reasonable doubt with a sound I set up. Fever.
I went on Aki season. Aki season I come around now, don't. At the same about Aki season. We have a season for Aki, don't. Yeah man, cause you have a time where you can't find Aki. When is Aki season? Who remembers when it's Aki season? When last you had some Aki and saltfish? Talk to me, man. I'm not so quiet. When last you had a good healthy serving of Aki and saltfish? Anybody who don't like Aki, just keep that opinion to yourself. Don't even mention it. If you don't like Aki, me not talking to you right now, you're not in the company. Just relax. Right, so for the people who love Aki and saltfish, when last you consume a nice serving? When is Aki season and what type of Aki we have? Pop quiz this morning. I'm going to revoke someone on a Jamaican card, you know. You know, the live says spring. Is that in response to my question, when is Aki season? Because we don't have spring in Jamaica, you know. We have drought time and we have rainy time. Me don't know what you talk about. Some laundry detergent you talk about, springtime you talk about. A laundry detergent that don't keep you so. Spring. I said proud to you, see? When is Aki season? I feel the Aki season I come around, and here's why. Because when it comes to Christmas, you know, say at them time there, you wake up to roast breadfruit, Aki and saltfish, little color up on the side because you have your greens. Yeah. Aki and salt mackerel, that nice, don't say yes. So I feel like say Aki season now come around, right? Or is it that December Aki is scarce and you have to pay one whole heap of money for one little dozen of Aki? I'm trying to remember. You know, some things you just grow up and you take for granted because your parents always have to deal with it. And that now that you come of age, you have to deal with it yourself. You're finally paying attention to the details. Yeah. The only challenge with me is that in my family, I just me and RJ like Aki. The girls don't like it none at all. Something wrong with them, I know. But we leave that alone. Right, so like how them not like Christmas cake. It sweet me again. In my family, I think me and RJ alone like Christmas cake. The girls can't take the fruits in the cake. They say, hey, you see when me all get Christmas cake from work, I mean also the whole of that of my own. Especially when it have the right texture. Oh God, man, me give thanks and then I like it. More for me. I remember one year I ate Christmas cake until I got sick. No, literally. Because I'm alone in the house. Eat fruit cake. Yesterday a friend sent out a message asking how many cakes I'm going to order. And the price of cake kind of gone up still. I mean, people are selling, you know, cake per pound. And 1 pound is like $2,800. Yes. So if you want a 1 pound Christmas cake, $2,800. 2 pound, 5,006. You can do the maths. You want to convert that to US? That would be about $12 to $14 US per pound for fruitcake. So yeah. Yesterday I could have said, boy, you know, so I just want me I gotta take from you. Just in support of your business because I'm a friend. Come on, say me alone I gotta consume it. Shout out to the neighborhood baker. We're talking about Dora. Yeah man, hey Dora can bake, you know. but I don't think I'm going to spend the money with Dora this year still, because I don't pledge to spend with the other friend here. And as I say, I'm alone in the house. I say, give her one. I'm expensive though. I'm going to make Lloyd the advocate for some donations so I can have, you know, a little Christmas penny. But nobody not answer me yet. Let me scroll through and see if I got the answer. Sparky says September. Donovan had his ackee and saltfish just Sunday gone. Hey, I hope another thin thing you consume, you know. Alright, so we all agree it's September when ackee come in. So I'm not consume the ackee yet. I'm going to stop on Miss Mitchie. Call Miss Mitchie and find out when she deal with some ackee and saltfish. Or ackee and salt mackerel. Go up there and get a plate. Alright, back to the music. Sounds of Youngster. This one titled Boogie Woogie. Rougher than a conqueror. Come on, let's do this.
What a mercy now. Brush my teeth with my clocks and my diamond socks. I sheen ear all for my golden locks. But it goes it. Touch out of the house to the beach, she relax. Me see old man George with a goat and a lass. One George. I beg you a try and pull out my cheese box. Morning, Miss Jai was crying on the pot. Ackee and breadfruit save my till I'm back. Missy reasonable doubt with a sound I set up. Fever. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Why won't you move your head? Why? Nobody run with me, yeah. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Why won't you move your legs? Oh God, Lord of mercy. Wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel sweet. Feel, wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel sweet. Wanna stamp on the rhythm and stamp on the big bag. Feel, wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel sweet. Now, rum when me consume make me want piss. I find my fence wheel out my waist. Beware of dogs, I still take a risk. A girl fling one stone, go lick your pitney. She diss me, but woogie, woogie, woogie.
You know who never disrespects me? Simonese. Glad to have you connected, Simonese. Oh, you mean? Ackee and saltfish to the world.
Oh, daddy, oh, dada, life goes
I'm about to play a song I've never played on air, and I'm glad that you're here to share in it with me. It's one from my childhood. It's a childhood favorite, and I don't think I've ever played this song to the public. So this is about to be a very special moment. So I better like it, because I one of my childhood favorites. I don't know, go mash up my childhood. I don't think I've ever played this song to an audience before. Always play it in private, but let's do this.
Take out the papers and the trash.
Hands up who knows that one. Show of hands who know that song. I want to see who know that song there. And if you know the song, let me know who is the group behind it. Take it from start. This is one of my childhood favorites. Sharing it with you this morning at 2 minutes before the hour of 8 o'clock.
Take out the papers and the trash, or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrub that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Just finish cleaning up your room.
Gotta say good morning to Fran.
See that dust fly with that broom. Get all that garbage out of sight, or you don't go out Friday night. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
You just put on your coat and hat and walk yourself to the laundromat. And when you finish doing that, bring in the dog and put out the cat. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Don't you give me no dirty looks. Your father's hip, he knows what cooks. Just tell your hoodlum from outside, you ain't got time to take a ride. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak, yak. Good morning.
And if we're taking a trip down memory lane, I have to share this other childhood favorite of mine, even more so now that I know that, I know about the Boney M group. So I love the fact that it's a holiday over there in the States, because some people who not normally get for check-in this morning. Gotta send a big shout out to my brethren, Richie Mr. Deal. Yeah, man, him there on the check-in. And what you mean? Since I love the song so much, I've got to take it to the beat and the tempo. This is another song that was among my late grandmother's collections. And right after this song, I would play this.
You got any more rouge?
Now, back in them days, we never have two turntable mix, all right? I didn't. Do you know those stereos where had the sliding doors and the speakers down the bottom? Yeah. Over one side, you had the tuner, the radio side, and the storage. And then the other side was the turntables. Well, turntable. Yeah, that was the type of stereo in both my grandmother's houses, right? But my grandmother and a Pembroke, we never really touch our things them. We just go over there and look. You understand? Hands off. Plus, fear owned it cluttered with more records and things. But my grandmother, who I grew with, her stereo was well neat and well organized. I don't know if my uncle them usually take care right, because my uncle them did have some record in it as well. But it did always all right and neat, and I had access to that because I'm my granny that, and my house that. So even if a thief in there got plate and broke the needle a couple times, I still my granny that. So yeah, me can go do that. So yeah, that is where I started playing with records and fell in love with music. And I think about it now, Stacey Latissa, European, Boney M, Ma Baker, really not have nothing to do with each other than the tempo nice. But some used to play them and enjoy them back in the day. Deviating from the theme a little this morning,
You got it.
as I run through the archives of my mind, share some music for you from them time there. I would go on to play songs like Centipede. And there's another song that is tickling my brain. It's a Jackson 5 song. It's not Michael on lead vocals, but I'm not going to wrap my brain too much about it because I'm not going to try and play that. I'm going to come back to my local song them. And still going through the archives of my mind. Gotta send a big shout out to Emilia Bimbo Rodriguez on the check-in. Big up yourself, you know, my brethren. Glad to have you on the broadcast. Winston, big up yourself, you know. Yes, I. That's just a vibe. Now, this next song that I'm going to play from the archives of my mind is one where I couldn't play when the big people them their own. Them song I could only play when I'm there yard by myself, when everybody gone, I'm there on holiday, and probably my cool Uncle Warren did that. Yeah, because the adult always the about, you know, but is which one, you understand? A two adult I could have, yeah, know say me good with, and I'm my Auntie Wendy and my Uncle Warren. You see if them two today in the house, me alright. Because more than likely Warren I go out in the yard and I need this bamboo shed where them build for them fish tank, and him I go down there so with him pet fish them and everything were alright. Likewise we and Walter, yeah, I'm a uncle them that. And for them pastime was to build fish tank, yeah, get some piece of block and cement and glass and build fish tank, and they had a wonderful time. We had some aquariums with all type of fish in it. And yeah, that was good time. So Warren would have probably out a yard and leave me to my own devices in the house, and that would be the time when I would sneak and play a song like this.
Sixpence to see the new giraffe with wrinkles in the body and dimples in the ass. My mother for sixpence to see the new giraffe with wrinkles in the body and dimples in the ass. Me no questions. you will hear no light. Put down molasses and it will catch no fly. Two little children were playing at Mr. Hunt. One jump on the other's back and pushy and she country girls, country boys sitting on a rock.
Dante enjoying this one. Dante said, oh, we're ready to find them here.
My mother for 6 months to see the new giraffe with wrinkles in the body and dimples in the ass. My mother for 6 months to see the new giraffe with wrinkles in the body and dimples in the ass. Me no questions, you will hear no lie. Put down molasses and it will catch no fly. Two little children were playing at Mr. Hunt. One jump on the other's back and pushy and she country girls, country boys sitting on a rock. Out came a bumblebee and bite them on their cocktails. Ginger ales, 10 cents a glass. If you don't like that, you can kiss my hairy ass. Me no questions, you will hear no lies. Put down molasses and it will catch no flies. Children were playing in the grass. One jump on the other's back and coffee in the ass. Me no questions, you will hear no lies. Put down molasses and it will catch no flies. Two little boys were fighting in a ditch. One jump on the other's back and call him a son of a bishop. Had a dog, a pretty little dog was he. He let him chew a lady to keep her company. That little dog was wicked as can be. He jumped up on the lady's legs and bite her on her country girls, country boys sitting on a rock. Up came a bumblebee and bite them on their cocktails. Ginger ales, 10 cents a glass. If you don't like that, you can kiss my hairy ass. Me.
Can you imagine that in my day, I was afraid to play this in front of adults? You know the things them youth are playing in front of big people nowadays? And I wouldn't dare play a song like this, much less make them realize me and listen to a song like this in the house, you know. Can you imagine? You see how times have changed? What did we do when since the youth can listen to some derogatory lyrics in front of big people without little shame in them eye? No, sir. All this next one here, me afraid to play it in front of big people when me a youth.
I have a sad story to tell you.
I don't found that way for that one, they don't. From on the system, I go down the lane there and I say, I wonder if I come up with shaving cream. Alright, yes man, they want that no more. See it here.
Be nice and
be friends. For that's the only way your jealousy will end. And although you are my wife, my sweetheart, you should not fight. So that's the reason why you should be friends.
A sweetheart and a wife should never be friends.
You know, somebody gonna say something, but me nah bother. Make a song play.
I would like you and my sweetheart to be friends. For that's the only way your jealousy will end. And although you are my wife, my sweetheart, you should not fight. So that's the reason why you should be friends.
A sweetheart and a wife should never be friends. My sister told me that from I was 10. And I don't think it is right that for me your lawful wife should ever keep your sweetheart for my friend.
My sweetheart feel that you should be our friend, because she has to help you now and then. And she cannot understand how you want to hold a man while others have to borrow from their friends.
Well, I am different when it comes to men. I do not borrow, neither do I lend. For although I am a fool, I don't like to share my tool. For that is what I call my bosom friend.
I know you have some very selfish ways, but can't you see we're living now in modern days? And I think it would be fine if you'd only change your mind and let the three of us be jolly good friends.
I would like you and my sweetheart to be friends.
Never dare to use those words to me again.
I was only making fun.
That is one joke I don't run.
Yet you want me and your sweetheart to be friends.
Oh Lord, anybody see my trial, grief for right? Why Lord, I was badly beaten, found by loved ones, battered by an irate husband, searching for a man that wasn't I. When we reach the court, we're gone inside. The hand of justice shall preside over this case. The trial shall begin. Your Honor, I was inside the closet, minding I own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger causing these disturbances. He claims that me touching my wife, which is a wicked and awful lie. Me two hand them was occupied. My shirt in the left and my pants in my right. My hand them was occupied. My shirt in the left and my pants in my right.
Rise on me know when to keep my mouth shut. Thank you so much, Dante, for the encouragement to do the right thing.
Why, Lord?
These are the songs I grew up on. They shaped and formed the character, the person I am. Yeah, man, the music had that influence on me. Taught me a sense of humor. I may be little. Shut up again, Roddy. Roddy, shut up. No!
This shall preside over this case. The trial shall begin. Your Honor, I was inside the closet, minding I own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger causing these disturbances. He claims that me touching my wife, which is a wicked and awful lie. Me two hand them was occupied. My shirt in the left and my pants in my right. My hand them was occupied. My shirt in the left and my pants in my right. judge, can this court accept my story from my heart? Why, judge? If by chance you don't believe this tale, ask him why she will not fail to agree. I was a better man than he.
Ava, enjoy this one. Good morning, Ava.
Grief for right. Why, Lord? I was badly beaten, found by loved ones, battered by an irate husband, searching for a man that wasn't I. When we reach the court, we're gone inside. The hand of justice shall preside over this case. The trial shall begin. Your Honor, I was inside the closet, minding I and I own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger causing these disturbances. Him claims that me touch him wife, which is a wicked and awful lie. Me two hand them was occupied. Me shirt in the left and me pants in the right. Me hand them was occupied. Me shirt in the left and me pants in the right. Dear judge, can this court accept my story from my heart? Why, judge? If by chance you don't believe this tale, ask him why she will not fail to agree. I was a better man than he. Just in case she refused to answer, ask the maid downstairs, Agatha, she'll only be glad to testify for me. I tell him, Your Honor, I was inside the closet, minding I and I own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger causing these disturbances. Him claims
him forget lock up without chance of parole.
A wicked and half.
The man I walk through the man entire household. His wife, the maid downstairs, Agatha. Lock him up without parole, judge.
My shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
Islands. Specifically, I man do that.
Lock him up.
Roots forward up.
Dear Corporal, as you lock me in this prison, pray for I. Please, Corporal, please don't leave me here to wonder why the court has made this blunder. Grab me for a crime that wasn't fair.
You're guilty.
Corporal, when you going to send me in?
Good morning, Joan. Miss Martin.
Your sister, one more day of this I cannot be.
I'm out about when we're going to send your auntie and sister.
Your Honor, I was minding I and I own business. Your Honor.
Can I find a few more?
Stranger.
Can I find one more?
Disturbances.
Let's find one more. Plus maybe one more.
Which was a wicked and awful lie. Me and them was occupied. Me shirt in the left and me pants in the right. Me right. Rasta Ozzy from up the hill decide to check on him grocery bill. And when him add up the things him need, they do it done when him save fi buy little weed. Him hand on him jaw, Lord, read him eye and just meditate. The time is so hard, Lord, I man nothing but immigrate. I make up my mind, Lord, I might as well go against Simon Fate. So I forward the market, I sight the butcher boy by the gate.
You want what?
No, I might a kill like queen.
Try beef now.
I no check for no grass we green.
What about fowl?
Watch I know it's time for a change.
Me and fish.
Got children out of that range.
How about the steak?
Watch I know you no sight the rate.
Try the tribe now.
Burn me belly when I pull me pipe.
Alright, hold the pork.
Hush your mouth by me brethren here. Sell I a pound of that thing there. Then the butcher pull up a stool. Begin to question as see how him so fool. What kind of something cookie in a pot? From him born him never did hear about that. Well, watch I know, master. Give I time, make I try explain. It's just like a film show. We protect the humble, we change the name. I would have feel so cute. We come in and ask for some anal fat. I feel safer if we change the subject and call it that.
You want what?
No, I might a kill like queen.
What you having this here Thursday? It is Thanksgiving. You have that on your table. A lot of people have like me who don't fool around certain type of meat, except when it comes to certain type of year. Eh? How many people don't eat pork, but them eat ham? Talk to me. Am I alone? I don't really fool around pork, you know. But no, sir, when it comes to Christmas time, and the ham sort out, with the pineapple slice them, and everything nice, well, hey, you have to slice up that, put whole heap in my plate. January me a grunt. You see, have our ram goat liver on and try to predict me, don't bother with it. That's exactly why I'm not play it. Can't try to predict me. No, you go and go listen to Ram Goat Liver when you feel like right now I'm going to play one song when I know you're not here a long time. Let's take it from the very start. My music historians, name me the artist, name me the title of the song. Come on, quick and fast. Do it. My historians, my music connoisseurs, name me the title and the artist who's performing the song you heard a piece of just now. Come, hurry up and do it. Me a look. Because more I know if you don't hear it recently, if you don't remember it, if you don't like it. You understand? We're in that type of vibe this morning. It is now 8:31. It's the final one before we change the beat around. But I want to know who can recognize a piece of music me just drop on the turntable. I am looking. Come, somebody answer me. Make me feel like saying I don't know music like how me know and love music. Somebody talk to me. Where is the Duke? Where is Don T? Where is Mr. Keith Cole? Keith Cole said none of that on my table. What decorates your table this Thanksgiving? The governor, Mr. KC, on the check-in. Talk to me. What decorate the Rastaman table? We need to know, we want to find out. You understand? Yeah, man, happy Thanksgiving to everybody who's celebrating the occasion. You understand? Me still ask the question. Name me the tune me just drop on the turntable. Nobody can answer. Me know to hear the question by now. I know there's a little delay in me sending it out and you responding. But by now you're supposed to can answer the question if you knew the answer. So I take it that you don't know the answer. So let's play this one from Alan Teddy Magnus. What a beautiful Thursday.
Up with a line, I think I'll take a walk in the...
Alan and Doreen, they are the people, they are the personalities that let me fall in love with radio. How many people are just glad to hear the radio turn on 5 o'clock a morning time with a Good Morning Man show? How many people are like that? You're just listening out for Alan and all the things we're going to talk about and the songs that he's going to play, and he never disappoints. May his soul rest in peace. Yes, sire. A great legacy, you know. Yeah, man, I am responsible for people like me. Yeah. I am encourage me. I feel him style, you know, just take the energy, the positivity that he would bring across the airwaves and the musical selections when he would drop on people and just make your morning great. And that's how I want to become known as
Roddy G is your morning man.
Bringing on the legacy of the great Teddy Magnus. Sharing part of his legacy in song, Beautiful Sunday, Alan Teddy Magnus.
Every morning, up with a line, I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, you're by my side. Let's take a car and go for a ride. Hey girl, hey, 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 hey. It's a beautiful day. We'll drive on, we'll follow the sun, making this fun day, girl. Go on and on. I say now, hey, 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 hey. It's a beautiful day. Ah, 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 what a beautiful fun day. This is my beautiful day. When you say, girl, that you love me, all I can say, my, it's so beautiful.
Ava is on the check-in. Ava sharing some memories from her childhood days. Ava say, you're lucky, my father never make me listen to music. Him say, go read the Bible. I think your daddy didn't know what make you up, you know. I think your daddy knew better than anybody else. Say you didn't need Jesus. You didn't need saving as a youngster. Can you imagine if him never have that discipline there instilled in you? How you that turn out today? Eh? Just teasing, because I think Ava has a sense of humor to appreciate it. She not thin skin. She knows it's just fun. Right, Ava? I don't know nothing about you. We're just getting to learn each other, right? But so far, I know that you're a fun-loving person. Anybody who can make fun of people, then can take a little poke into. Don't say yes. Mr. Montague out of Richmond, St. Mary on the check-in. He says the rain continues on that side of the island, and it's not making things so beautiful from his vantage point. Sorry for you that, Winston. Hey, Winston, don't have a normal need, you know. To exit my community, you have to go through a pool of water. Yesterday, a taxi operator sent it in the group that he must stop and shuttle the youth them across because the road is now totally underwater and we live on a hilltop. Yeah, the community up on a mountain top. I was talking to my daughter a few days ago and I was saying, who would have thought that you can't have flooding on a mountain top? Inca water supposed to run off a mountain top, don't? And then she says, Daddy, it's a plateau. Like me never know say I want plateau. Me know say I want plateau though. I knew it was a plateau. I know what a plateau is. Sure. She just go on like she's just extra smart. So. Daddy, it's a plateau. It can flood. Yeah, me know that. Me just I said though. It's such a phenomenon that it's just, you know, you wouldn't think that living up here, you'd be subject to flooding. You that things that the water would run off of the hilltop, off of the mountain top, don't it? Sure. You understand? Yeah. No, man, it's not funny. It's not funny. And I know that St. Mary has a particular, Port Maria in particular has an issue when it rains persistently. Flooding occurs rapidly. I do believe the town is below sea level. I saw Winston. And so there are other parts of St. Mary that will be badly affected by persistent rainfall. And I don't know if it's just engineering or lack of engineering why we have to endure these issues. I think the issue for my community is poor engineering. Nobody built a drain. As a matter of fact, it's just a little one man cut a little piece of road, you know, like a man that own a big piece of land up here. Kankara, I'm not call them name. and them just cut out one road without any consideration of drainage. And so we are now faced with all of these issues when it rains persistently. And new houses are being built, right? They might expand the development. And the people them now on the road for drive come on them communities. So I think, look from this year, say, Roddy community, they on TV for a Black Road, and I go on boisterous because we're being patient. They're building the perimeter road, and it should have some impact on the community. It's going to pass nearby. And there are arguments that they're putting in pipes, and all of this work is coming under one project. But what we're going to do till then? We have to suffer and endure these hardships? No, I don't think so. I think we can look now for some protests. But we're going to turn the beat around, and I'm going to take care of two of my friends with one selection. Talking about the Irie Pen family. And this is one of my favorites from them. This is Hopeton Lindo and Novelty in combination. This one is titled I Don't Know Much. Take a listen. On a Thursday morning.
Look at this face. I know the years are showing. Look at this life. I still don't know where it's going. I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
Look at these eyes, they never see what matters. Look at these dreams, so big and so better.
I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning!
Look at his face. I know the years are showing. Look at this life. I still don't know where it's going. I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
Look at these eyes, they never see what matters. Look at these dreams, so big and so better.
I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know. So many questions still left to answer. So much I've never broken through.
And when I feel you near me, sometimes I see so clearly.
The only truth I've ever known is me and you. Look at this man, so blessed with inspiration. Look at this soul, still searching for salvation. I don't know much, but I know I love you. That may be all I need to know. I don't know much, but I know I love you.
G is your morning man.
Last night your eyes were telling me what words could never say. You needed room to breathe, you needed time to get away. It's a way for your heart, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I would never hold you against your will. And so I will wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you. I know you'll come through. I hope you'll find that the things you need are the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you. You know I'll wait. Today I woke up wondering, was I right or was I wrong? Did I really mean to let you go? Did I need to act so strong? Was it the way of a fool's heart to agree to set you free? All I know, if our love is real, then you'll come on back to me. And so I will wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you. I know you'll come through. I hope you'll find that the things you need are the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you. When I look out the window and I see a stranger go walking by, I always imagine that it will be the next time.
Roddy G, baby.
It's a way for your heart, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I would never hold you against your will.
Waking up to a dry land with empty glasses in their hands. To the bone I see the cold, afraid for one and all. Watch relief fall from the sky. The resources are running dry. Tell me, how can we sustain that the people going under? Tell me, how can we sustain? Tell me, who's gonna take the blame? How can we sustain that the people going under? Tell me, how can we sustain?
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning.
Roddy G, baby.
Say, rock me, baby. Rock me out here on the floor. Come on. Rock me, baby. Rock me till I want no more. Oh, that sweet reggae music playing. The smell of perfume fills the air. The mood is right. Come hold me tight. Ooh, let's dance, romance, while we still have the chance. Good morning.
On a DJ bad sometime, don't say yes.
Say, rock me, baby. Rock me out here on the floor. Come on. Rock me, baby. Rock me till I want no more. Oh, that sweet reggae music playing. The smell of perfume fills the air. The mood is right. Come hold me tight. Ooh, let's dance, romance, while we still have the chance. Come on. Rock me, baby. Rock me out here on the floor. Rock me, baby. Rock me till I want no more. There's a feeling of love deep inside me.
Hey, gotta send a big shout out to Bedan.
This heart of mine is pounding.
Respect, man. Glad to have you back on the check-in.
I feel the fire. I feel desire. Ooh, let's dance, romance, while we still have the chance. Come on. Rock me, baby. Yeah, rock me out here on the floor. Come on, rock me, baby. Ooh, rock me till I want no more.
So close to me, and now all of my dreams are gone away, and loneliness came yesterday, and my heart's filled with pain and love for you. What did I do? Why are we through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. now you were gone and gone too long, and it wouldn't cross my mind to do you wrong. No, no, no. If cheating was a house, then I'd live outside. What did I do? Why I was rude? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I'm gonna burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. Burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done.
I've loved a few. I've had my share. Talk about hurt. I've been there. I know love. I know what love is all about. And you're all the way in or all the way out. There's no in between. You must walk away or stand up and fight. Stand up.
Oh, sorry. Me not look for the music. Me never see the request. Oh, you mean Keith now no token? Keith full of token.
It's just believing you.
Me just busy to look for the next song.
If you're into something good, for God's sake, don't let it die. And be all the way in or all the way out. I've really lived the dreams in my mind. And talk about love too.
What's a Dante? Dante, I'm in the token there, man.
I know life. I know what life is all about. You're either all the way in or all the way out.
I have pulled out of this die. I've got this brand new attitude.
keeps me steering. Roddy G run things again. Roddy G run things again. He's got that smile, cause he know he's winning from the selection that he is spinning. Check out Roddy G. Run things. Say I'm in love again, all because of you again. Say I'm in love again. You've got that smile that keeps me staring. I can't help myself but looking. Girl, you've got me hooked on you, and you know it's true. And in a while, I hope my wishes and all my dreams come true. Later on, when I get next to you, silent consent is in your eyes. It's accepted. Girl, you've got me hypnotized, and I love it. I wanna slip away with you and do what you want me to and turn your gray skies into blue. You've got that smile that keeps me steering. Girl, I can't help but looking. I'm onto you and you know it's true. Hey, I'm in love again, all because of you again. Said I'm in love again, all because of you, darling. And consent is in your eyes. Lord of mercy. Girl, you've got me hypnotized, and I love it. I wanna hold and caress you, comfort and take care of you. I want you with me all the time, 'cause you've got that smile that keeps me steering. I can't help but looking. I'm hooked to you and you know it's true.
You're sorry, you're gonna be my baby, yeah. Love is never to say you're sorry, yet what is to be must be, yeah. I've been watching you a mighty long time, hoping that you'll be mine, yeah. Wearing them fancy dress, you sure look tough for them to rest. So in your nest, I want to rest. Lord have mercy, love is never to say you're sorry, you're gonna be my baby.
Good morning.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Oh yeah. Yes, I'm tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight. Yeah. Good morning. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight. Yes, you've been waiting, so I'm gonna love you all night. Yes, though I'm weary, I'm still gonna give you love, still gonna make you feel that this is more than real, because you're way too beautiful, beautiful to resist. You're more than wonderful, and every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I
know some never do it, girl. Chat all you want. I think you need to go sleep. You can't stay the talk. You know, see a friend of mine over me, girl. Now listen me. See all the news that them a carry and the text with them a send. Now listen to them. And all the rumors them a spread and I say you and them a friend. How she a look me then? She see me on the road and ask me if I find you gone. And if you gone for long, make something go on. She see me at the club and write her number in my palm. And still me never let her read my arm. Chat all you want. Me know me never cheat. You can't stay the top. God knows some me never do it, girl. Chat all you want. I think you need to go sleep. You can't stay the top. You know see a friend of mine over me.
Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. I make your body overflow with the emotion as you know. I'm the good thing that we feel. I said my love you morning. Let me put on the lights there. And let me touch you right there. And let me love you until. Girl, I let you catch and have listen. Woo! Yeah! Got to go like that. I'm clean. The world know me like that. I know you love me, baby. Yes, I love me, lady. I know you're jealous of my love. Stay close, baby. Woo! Good morning. Got to go like that. I'm clean. The world know me like that. I know you love me, baby. Yes, I love me, lady. I know you're jealous of my love. Stay close, baby. Know you love me, baby. Yes, I love me, lady. I know you're jealous of my love. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm doing all right. My beautiful baby, one who made love to me tonight. She think I've got some other girl that's her inside. And if I ever left her out, she swear she gon' fight. Take her in my room. That's where my cradle is. Baby, let my go. Where your neighbor is. That you what you got is good. So go and label it. Good loving all night. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly love and really need you. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do. Oh. Don't buy the hands that feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly need you. Damn, we've seen something great in you. Wow, the people put a lot of faith in you. You know, we wanna hear you sing. We've been waiting on you, love coming straight to you. Love and unity is all it took, yeah. Why won't you open your eyes and look? We got what we want. Sing on me chant. Don't be greedy. A bird in the hand is worth more than two in the book.
10 minutes after the hour of 9 o'clock. This is Roddy for the road. Gotta send a big shout out to all the folks checked in on See Jamaica Live. Glad to have you on this broadcast. Shout outs to the peeps on the regular channels at DJ Roddy G on that YouTube and the Facebook Live feed. I know some of them next place too. You know some of them over Twitch. Me not even check. I make sure that feed they're good. Oh gosh. I never even check in upon the people on Twitch. It's brand new, so I don't really know if anybody locked in yet. Let me go look. But I interrupt the music to share this story with you. So honestly, I'm going to go barber shop yesterday, don't say yes. Clean shave and everything. Yeah, man, I touched out up here one last night, so we have to clean. Oh yeah, and Pops did that this week. And by the way, big up my little informer brethren Terran. I'm a brother, I know, but I want a little informer. Last time I forward and telling the story about what go on at Pops and what go on at the barber shop. You know, so Terran do nothing more than go there and give them the link to the YouTube, make them go hear me, I call up all of them name. A good thing, I never say nothing bad about them. And then we have another reasoning with Bushy yesterday. But we're going to save that story there for next year. The story that I'm sharing with you is that Pops reminded me of this artist out of Trinidad. She took the internet by storm maybe a little over a year ago. And I had the opportunity to have an interview with her. She said her mother charged her to use her powerful voice to spread positive messages. And that's what she's been doing ever since she stood behind a microphone. I told you she hails from Trinidad. Do you know who I'm referring to? Let me make the music play.
We want more love. We got to show love. Queen Omega says show love. Yo, some of them ain't got no.
I told you before, sometimes them tell us say you don't want me to hear us, but I was so glad that I made her acquaintance, that I could have a conversation with her and find out who she is behind the music. You understand? And she seems to be an absolutely beautiful soul, and we love the music that she brings across. She continues to light up the internet every time she does a dub plate or does something in the recording studio. It is just absolutely phenomenal. She's currently trending again with another song we're not even going to try sing. Nia, my daughter, sent me and said, Daddy, try sing that. Sing the Queen Omega part. I said, why you don't go to your bed and leave me alone? She just provoking so. Nobody can sing the Queen Omega part. Only Queen Omega can sing the Queen Omega part. But we can all sing along to this one. This is No Love, Queen Omega and Little Lion Sound. And of course, this is the drum song rhythm.
We got to show love. Queen Omega says show love. Yo, some of them ain't got no love. No love. No love in them heart. Me see them God. No love in this world. When they lose them soul under mind control. Some of them leaders got no love. No love. No love in them heart. Me see them God. No love at all. That's why this wicked system it off evolve.
Good morning to Anne.
And that lead if you're not dealing righteousness. Equality for the people wants peace and justice. Freedom of choices and the right to take a stand against the great deception played upon the nation. And me not need the glasses for see that them don't care them what they kill me ambition and spoil me career. Look how them poison the atmosphere with all them hatred and greed, injustice and fear, cause them got no love. No love. No love in them heart. Me see them God. No love in this world. Many lose them soul under mind control. Some of them leaders got no love. No love. No love in them heart. Me see them God. No love at all. That's why this wicked system it have to fall. Love is the greatest power and it can't be denied. It is the raindrops that fall from the sky. The very energy we absorb every time the sun shine. We cannot live without love. Love is the most high. Me see it from afar. Them no respect master God. Them treat your people like lab rats and guinea hog. Enough of them a end up in a body bag, while the lets them a smile and a bust and a brag. Cause them got no love. No love. No love in them hearts. We see them God. No love in this world. Many lose them soul under mind control. The leaders them got no love. No love. No love in them hearts. We see them God. No love at all. How long will the heathen rage creating mischief? Take away from the people yet nothing them a give. The struggle real, we struggling to stay alive. Me see some a sell out them soul to survive. And even a blind man can see them have no heart. Many weapons of destruction to keep us apart. You can check it out and do the math. Me know, say them can't escape the wrath. Cause them don't got no love. No love. No love in them heart. We see them God. No love in this world. Many lose them soul under mind control. Some of them ain't got no love. No love. No love in them heart. We see them God. No love at all. That's why this wicked system it have to fall.
As a youth growing up, I had this dream to walk among the stars. But the road is rough and so it seems I won't really make it far.
So many thoughts of giving up. I get so tired of this empty cup. That's when I heard a voice inside me say, hold on one more day. Dreams sometimes come true. You get confused, you don't know what to do. But if you give up now, you will never, never know where your dreams can go. Just when you thought that you heard it all, half the story has never been told. You live and then you learn. It's what you keep, not just what you earn. So keep the fire burning deep within and hold on to the end. Come true. You get confused, you don't know what to do. But if you give up now, you will never, never know where your dreams can go. I know sometimes it's hard to work without reward. The goodness of your heart won't let you fall apart. So like the sun, shine on and on. Dreams sometimes come true. You get confused, you don't know what to do. But if you give up now, you will never, never know where your dreams can go.
Now here's an inspiring story about a lady and her son. They've suffered, been pushed around, beaten down many times,
but still they didn't falter. They kept on making strides. They did every little thing, whatever to survive. They fought to stay alive.
He looked at her and said, oh mama, don't ever cry no more. Cause someday for sure I will move all the clouds. I'm gonna make things right.
She said, son, don't ever worry, cause God is on our side. We're gonna take every step with the Father and pray. Someday we will get by.
And now they're shining like the stars, so proud of who they are, together standing tall. Have a purpose and strong faith. Your dreams will take you far. Through prayer and desire, they never failed to do their best. They knew that only the best is good enough, so they gave up nothing less.
With strong determination.
Gotta say good morning to my brother Hopeton on the check-in. Mr. Lindo.
There was nothing you could do, nothing you could say to stop them from finding another way.
They tried so many different things. Working overtime was just another way to make it through the day. So they did it all just fine.
Talking about that lady and her son. They never did run away from their problems. They fought that good old fight.
And now they're shining like the stars, so proud of who they are, together standing tall. And you can't do it just the same. Gotta have a purpose and some faith. Your dreams will take you far.
Don't you feel good when I touch you, my dear? Don't it feel good when I touch you right there? Don't you feel good when I touch you right there and touch your eyes? me I touch you right, and I turn you on. Touch up the button and turn you on. Touch you like this, rub you like that, slow and gentle, you know I'm if you stop. Turn you on, rub up your body and turn you on. Yaga ya yeah, yaga ya ya. Mickey, you call me happy and you a go enjoy. Determination a go make me try and try. Cause me not go stop until you reach the sky and fly. So me fingers them a go stroll by and by. From shoulder to shoulder, then tie and tie. If you still not turn on, then I go turn it up high and high. Apply Y and Y, mix up your colors like tie and dye. If me have to leave you high and dry. Turn you on, touch up the button and turn you on. Touch you like this, rub you like that, slow and gentle, you know I'm if you stop. Turn you on, rub up your body and turn you on. Don't go, baby, please stay. I just want you to know that I feel you coming up inside, you want to enjoy.
Girl, we've been together for a long time, committed and devoted, everything's fine. No, I don't know what it is, made you change your mind about me, about me.
Never once treated unkind, do anything for you and put my life on the line. Now I see you back in the face, say that you're leaving me.
Baby, just stop, please turn around and talk to me. What are your reasons? Why are you leaving? Was it something that I need? This job is breaking up inside of me. Don't say it's over, say it's forever. Please stay.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning.
I've had a lot of big dreams. I've made a lot of bad moves. I know you could walk away, but you never do.
I've met a lot of cold hearts. I've learned to smile and deceive. I know I'm hard to be around, but you never leave.
I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your hand. And you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love
vanity hangs by a thread. Yeah. I lose my way, but still you seem to understand. Now and forever, I will be your man, baby. Yeah. See, sometimes I just hold you, too caught up in me. See, yeah, I'm holding a fortune that heaven has given to me. Yeah, I try to show you each and every way I can, now and forever. Yeah, I will be your man. Oh baby, now I can rest my worries and always be sure that I won't be alone anymore. If I'd only known you were there all this time, all this time.
One day in your life, you remember a place, someone touching your face. You'll come back and you look around you. One day in your life, you remember the love you found here. You remember me somehow, though you don't need me now. I will stay in your heart, and when things fall apart, you'll remember one day in your life, when you find that you're always waiting for the love we used to share. Just call my name, and I'll be there. Don't you know I'll be
So many storms have come and still
A big shout out to the teacher Jack Scorpio on the check-in.
be a fool to find true love, and then just
Jack, what time you working today?
it's me.
You work out the schedule?
You won't
It's raining in Kingston.
that for you
I know it is raining. Did you get your morning workout done? Or the rain set you back and might as well just start the show from 10 o'clock. It is Thanksgiving over there in the US of A. Shout outs to all the people celebrating. Wherever you are locked in, welcome.
sacrifice for all my life. You and me will be together.
Good morning, Miss Service. Marcia, glad to have you.
Ups and downs here and now until forever. I'll sacrifice, baby. You and me made it through so much, so many storms have come and still we're holding on. And I would be a fool to find true love and then me close. And I can't take away all this, but I could wrap the lips of your broken heart. Do take you out and show you what my love can do. Do you want to go to heaven with my arms around you? You take my breath away if only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay.
See it there? Sometimes I just have to encourage a teacher, you know. For this Thanksgiving Thursday, you heard it, you saw it here first. The iconic Jack Scorpio will be on blackscorpioenterprise.com. He will be on his Facebook Live, and he will be on his YouTube channel. All three platforms. One's about 10:30, you know. That's the beauty of the cameras, all courtesy of See Jamaica Live. Yeah, man, I can see it live and direct. Crossroads underwater. New Kingston underwater. Ligani underwater. Barbican underwater. I would dare say, from the images on my screen, I would even dare to say that that rain cloud extends all the way down to Duhaney Park. It look like the whole of that back page there. If you don't know the island, you don't know that a Ligani rain. And Ligani rain usually cut across to Barbican. And if it reach a Barbican, then it's not hard for you imagine that it reaches to Mannings Hill. Or Mannings Hill Road area. Roehampton. And if it reach a Roehampton there, so then you know say in front of them is Duhaney Park. You know it's the boulevard. And so know say all of them place there getting some rain right now. All courtesy of See Jamaica. So shout outs to all folks on that platform. See Jamaica Live. Hope you're enjoying the viewing and listening experience. Here's the wise words. Portmore under rain as well. Una well deserve it because una know say una the sunshine city. Una barely get rain. So when you get a little shower, be thankful. Hopefully your drains can take away the rain waters.
Take you out and show you what my love can do. Do you want to go to heaven?
See, they all keep no Jamaica. Almost a little better than me. Yeah, but I'll go to Patrick City, definitely.
Take my breath away if only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. And I'll take you there to my secret hideaway.
bring home. I wanna move to the beat of your drum. Light me up, make me have some fun. Relax, loving what you know I can't done. No, can't done. Run, come give me like a lovey. Your tender kiss and a rubbing. Run, come give me like a loving. Wanna be wrapped up in your arms. Run, come give me like a lovey. Your tender kiss and a rubbing. Run, come give me like a loving. Hold me till the break of dawn. Sweet kisses under the moonlight. Warm kisses under the moonlight. And I'm certain that I will be smiling right through the night. Yeah, the way you always do the things you do. Oh, I just can't wait for you to come through. Light my world like I want you to. The realest love I make me feel brand new. Feel brand new. Run, come give me like a lovey. Your tender kiss and a rubbing. Run, come give me like a loving. Wanna be wrapped up in your arms. Run, come give me like a lovey. Your tender kiss and a rubbing. Run, come give me like a loving. Hold me till the break of dawn. Baby, it's you I want. I need. Oh, baby, it's you.
My baby, Alicia, Dusty girl.
Baby, it's you I want. You I need. And I feel like I'm in ecstasy.
I make your
Baby, it's you I want. You I need. You're lifting me higher.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You're lifting me higher. Good morning, Mr. Blue Sky. How are you? I wanna fill my day with love. I got lots to do. Can you help me out with some good vibes? Pineapple just to feel nice. I'm on my way to see the love of my life.
Go, my baby.
I never felt like this. You got me living in a blaze. I wanna fuck up with you every day. Baby, it's you I want. I need. And I feel like
Roddy G, baby.
baby, it's you I want. You I need. You're lifting me higher. You're lifting me higher.
You give me a feeling that I like, girl. I would never turn my back on you. That's my promise, son. I'm surrounded by love.
Roddy G is your morning man.
You give me a feeling that I like, girl. I would never turn my back on you. That's my promise, son. Everything with you makes my heart smile, girl. I say you've been by my side through the thick and the thin, oh. Love me without a condition, ooh yeah. You love without an admission. And when you wrap your tender love around me, my soul is in a position to cast all my fears away. Facilitate the transition. You wipe my troubles away. You call me like a magician. You've never betrayed my trust, loyal, that's what I like, girl. When everyone turned their backs on I, you stood your ground, oh. You give me a feeling that I like, girl. I would never turn my back on you, that's my promise, son. Everything with you makes my heart smile, girl. I said you've been by my side through the thick and the thin,
Oh, let me tell you something. Never you let go. Me tell yourself, you know you got to be strong. And never you let go. No matter how the journey long, you gotta carry on. And never you let go. No, 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 no. Cause that's what they want. And never you let go. Me tell you read a Psalms a day. Me say you can't stop chant. And me tell you this rough toughest of times and the toughest of pressure. Hey. That's when the king send the liquor breakthrough. Test of times only prove you're getting better. Don't lose your faith, get your youth, you have to stay true. Positivity, a positivity. Me say don't breathe no negative, a straight liberty. And now one thing me sure about who God bless, no man curse them, can't cut off your longevity. So me said, no let it go. So me said, no let it go. So me said, no let, never let it go. So keep the faith and judge and we guide you. Never you let go. Me tell you, say, you know you got to be strong. And never you let go. No matter how the journey long, you gotta carry on. Never you let go. No. Cause that's what they want. And never you let go. Me tell you, read the Psalms and
Roddy
me say you can't
G
stop
is your
chanting.
morning man.
Without you, can't live without you. Can't live without you. Oh, girl, you know I can't live my life without you. Oh, you're my world, I'm so crazy about you. Yeah, you're always there for me. Always there for me whenever. And girl, my fantasy is me and you forever. I can't live without your love, girl. Give him a chance, in my heart, you will never stray. Way you love me, no red card, no foot. Sing!
You are my everything, 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 baby. It's all because of you. I'm never sad and blue. You brighten up my day in your own special way. That your love can't be replaced. You're my everything. And love is so good. Only you can bring. You are my everything. You are everything. And everything is you.
She never know a man like me coulda lock her heart. She love me tender touch and me strong heart. In a wonderful love with me and her got caught. Now the fire start blaze from only one spark. Yeah, I'm like the anvil fi ease her pain. The marijuana fi calm her brain. I'm like a sunshine when she a rain. I'm everything pleasure and pain. So she saying,
you are you're my everything. And love is so good. Only you can bring. You are my everything. You are everything. And everything is you.
Forget your pride. You can do the things you want. Don't hide. Red wine and movies by the fireside. Girl, I love the things you like. The things you like.
from scratch we elevate. Attachment that we a penetrate. Girl, you a shine like the morning.
Good morning.
Me can't stop, say so can I elaborate, yeah. Them say looks are deceiving. I know everything glitter gold, but me a squeezing. Forget you involving on me thought. To keep you like my favorite, put it on my wall. When me miss your present, baby girl, like you me call. Me want we stick together like concrete to wall, like basket to ball, like winter to fall. Me not take you no shopping, girl, me want purchase them all.
Forget your pride. You can do the things
all night long. Rock and roll and rock. Give me sweet loving, don't you ever. Ow, 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 ow. I ain't macho Casanova. Casanova. Me and Romeo and Helen and friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again.
Now ambition is one of the greatest keys to success. So you man the wise and be progressive. Stitch this head. Follow again now. Come now. Yes, it me planet and me great ambition. 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 When I was just a little boy, I asked my mama, oh, what will I be? Will I be a singer or a MC? And this is what she says to me. Que sera, whatever will be, will be. The future is not ours to see. Stitchy just wait and see.
Hey boy, listen me. We call that respect you, we call that respect you. Manners and courtesy that carry you through. Respect you, we call that respect you. Come on, manners and courtesy that carry you through. No matter, bend up your face and go like you was school. In your waist, you know fit chuck no toe. Police hold you and your eye black and blue. Say that they touch him just boom. Everybody jump up, jump up, jump up. Everybody jump up, pop up, pop up, pop. Everybody jump up, because
Roddy G! Admiral Bailey represent, man, and we are say Roddy G, you don't know the thing set up in the man. Hey, now you put that one up, hey, watch on the man. Hey, we swear we, hey, watch on the man. Hey, you swear we play, hey, watch on the man. Admiral Bailey say, Roddy G, Roddy G.
Admiral Bailey, yes sir, you are pleading guilty to the charge of disturbing the peace. Now tell the court exactly what you said. Jump up, everybody jump up, jump up, jump up, everybody jump up, pop up, everybody jump up, because it don't panic. We done with it, slide and wine. We can't take it, kick a cold bottom. We don't love it, fit them a whole style. Come catch it ladies and jump up, everybody jump up, jump up, jump up, everybody jump, pop up, everybody jump up, jump up, jump up, everybody jump up.
When I my son was in a contest, we lick another song, boy, them have to confess. Hear a voice shout, who's there? And this is what I hear. Ooh, ain't nobody but a champion sound. Ain't nobody.
Roddy G, baby.
So calm yourself and stop that fuss. You're kicking up enough for those. Hey, you know my sound is a champion sound. In all other sound, them a come around. Tomorrow is a busy day. We got things to do. We got dub to play. We got a sound to kill and a contest to win. That's why they got to crown us the king. So ain't nobody but a champion sound. Ain't nobody here but us. So calm yourself and stop that fuss. You're kicking up an awful dust.
This magic moment, so my love is to the end of time. My love is to the end of time. This magic moment, so different and so new, but like any other. Until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by surprise. I knew that you felt
out. We're rolling out of the studio, that is. I know you know that this is where we were going. But no, you know. From you heard the juggling, I knew you know that's where I'm going. So let me take this opportunity to say thanks to everyone who kept me company this morning. All the folks over there at blackscorpioenterprise.com. If you've not yet bookmarked that page, please do so now. To all the folks on See Jamaica Live, checking in and out, checking on the street conditions, the weather conditions, just getting a glimpse of the island and some sounds as well. Thank you so much for being part of the program, for participating in the chat. And everyone on my own YouTube channel at DJ RODDYG, you've been great company. To my Facebook family, yo, no normal, you know. Yeah, man, gonna keep the thing active. Sparky Melody, Keith Cole, Don T, Christine, Ava, Emilio, the entire massive. Yo, you don't know yourself, don't. Richard Dale, everybody who just pop in and pop out, big up the themselves. We look forward to doing it tomorrow from 7 in the a.m. until 10. Yeah, man, you know how we're gonna do it. We're gonna have an excellent fun on the Friday. To everybody celebrating Thanksgiving, have yourself a wonderful family event. Statistics shows that Thanksgiving is the most celebrated holiday in the United States of America. Yeah, man, and the biggest holiday. The most anticipated holiday is the holiday where everybody get together and they celebrate. So make it a wonderful celebration. And the cousin, they were always a problem. The uncle, they were always at the odd one out. Just treat them with love, no? I know uncle long time, and I like yesterday, and I know them. I don't know, say I saw them stay. At the one time a year, I don't have to tolerate it, so just do it with a smile. Just love them up. Just love them up. Just kill it with kindness, alright? So we're going to leave you with this one, all courtesy of a Cartel. That one your name, what? What that one your name again? That one your name So High Up on the Moon. Until next time, remember, the iconic Jack Scorpio comes your way and on blackscorpioenterprise.com, on his Facebook Live, and on his YouTube channel. So go over there and continue to listen to some great Jamaican music, all right? Till next time, God bless.
Cartel call every girlfriend, make we roll alone. This magic moment. So high up on the moon, the DJ make your body move. Dreams are there to come through. Sure feels like some love you. So high up on the moon, the DJ make your body move. Dreams are there to come through. Sure feels like our honeymoon. Every man grab a girl we a rock. Here pretty, me no see no dead stock. Stick to the top, make your bumper relax. Fine for a boy, make him a fi come back. And you see that you make a old man catch heart attack. One shot shots and a traffic your block.